Divine Collective, I'm just wondering, have you ever walked into a situation where everything seemed completely normal and then within seconds it escalated from like 0 to 100? Have you ever like walked away asking yourself what just happened? Why did that person react so intensely, Divine Collective? I'm asking because lately Spirit has been teaching me to pay attention to these moments, okay? And I'm beginning to notice that many people aren't responding from conscious awareness, right? They're responding from conditioning, Divine Collective. It's almost as though they're running on an unconscious program, right? The moment something unfamiliar, I feel, enters their environment, something inside of them reacts automatically. Think about that. I found myself thinking about that today, as if we are the glitch, Divine Collective. We are the glitch. That's what I keep hearing as I'm speaking right now. Again, think about that. The moment someone questions the status quo, the moment someone refuses to participate in fear, the moment someone brings peace into an environment built on chaos, it can trigger people who are still operating from unconscious patterns, I'm hearing, okay? It's almost like watching someone hit a button without realizing they're hitting it. I feel that's why some reactions can feel so, is it disappointing, Divine Collective? Is that the right word I'm looking for? Because I feel like you weren't arguing, right? You weren't attacking anyone. You were simply existing, and suddenly someone becomes defensive, confrontational, or determined to remove you from the situation. Spirit showed me that when you're committed to healing, Divine Collective, you naturally begin interrupting unconscious patterns. Not because you're trying to, but because your presence highlights them, okay? It's a sense. In a sense, we are the glitch, Divine Collective. Not because we're better than anyone, Spirit says, but because we're no longer responding from the same programming that we once did. Also, Divine Collective, have you ever noticed how one calm person can completely expose an entire room that's operating from panic? Have you ever noticed? Or how one authentic person can make someone who's wearing a mask feel incredibly uncomfortable? That's the energy I'm talking about, Divine Collective. It's less about individuals being bad, okay, and more about unconscious patterns being challenged, I feel. When people react from fear, ego, or conditioning, they often don't realize they're doing it, Divine Collective. Their response can feel automatic, almost rehearsed in a way, as though something inside of them has taken over before they've even had time to think, right? That is why discernment is so important, Spirit was telling me. Not every confrontation is actually about you. Sometimes your peace reveals someone's inner conflict, Divine Collective. Sometimes your authenticity exposes the parts of someone that are still hiding, that they're still hiding, the Spirit was telling me. And sometimes your healing simply interrupts patterns that have been running for years. That's why I encourage you to not personalize every attack, Divine Collective. You'll often hear me say, it's not personal, it's spiritual. Spirit has reminded me of that these past 3 years on my journey, Divine Collective. Again, I encourage you not to personalize every attack. Observe, Divine Collective. Notice the patterns. Stay grounded. Ask God for discernment, okay? Because the more you heal, Divine Collective, the less you'll feel the need to fight every battle. You'll begin recognizing when someone is reacting to your presence rather than responding to your character. That's a very different thing, Divine Collective. For me, this isn't about judging people or deciding who is awake or asleep. It's about recognizing that many of us operate on autopilot, Divine Collective, until we begin doing the inner work. The invitation isn't to condemn people. It is to become conscious ourselves, respond with wisdom, and trust God to guide us in every interaction, Divine Collective. Thanks for listening. Peace, love, and light. So, Divine Collective, in other words, because I feel like I just spoke a lot using spiritual terms, right? So let me break this down for you a little bit, what I mean by what I was just teaching, okay? If you've ever been in a situation where, you know, someone just started going off on you and you're like, wait, what the heck? That's what I mean by like 0 to 100 in seconds. And you're like, you can't make sense. Your brain can't make sense of what just happened. Those situations, I'm starting to observe those situations. And Spirit is showing me how these people, some of these people, not all of them, are actually coded, okay? I'm starting to actually see the codes above them. It's like a stream of numbers, right? Divine Collective, those numbers that you've seen in the Matrix. I've only seen the Matrix like one time, but I remember a part of the Matrix where there was like a bunch of numbers just flowing, transparent numbers, and that's what I'm starting to see with certain people. But yeah, I'm starting to notice that certain people are coded. They're coded within the Matrix to be at certain places, to hype up certain situations, Divine Collective. And I've been picking up on a lot of just soulless beings and spirit showing me how they act, who they are, and that's what that first part of this video was about. But this kind of puts into perspective what I was talking about. Divine Collective Spirit just guided me to make the second part give an example of what it is I'm saying. Observe people, you'll start to notice how certain people are coded because of how they react to certain situations, high pressure situations. I've seen a clip today on social media where someone had gotten permission from a church, okay, to take pictures, wedding pictures in front of a church. And as she was doing that, some lady just randomly wanted to bully her and, get in the pictures and say, you can't be here, you can't be on the property, when she had permission. But all along, I'm watching this video that was recorded, and you can obviously see that this person is coded, so to say, because her reactions aren't matching up with what is going on in the current moment. She should not be acting like that, right? And when the lady, the photographer, is trying to calmly speak with her, she can't handle it because they're coded to be territorial, is what Spirit is telling me in the current moment. So if you're in that area where these coded people are, some of these soulless beings, and you're in their area, they will approach you, Divine Collective, and they will, because you are not normal to them. They're coded to think you are the enemy, is what this entire video is about, okay? So yeah, just start observing people and how they react to certain situations, and you'll start to see through the veil, Divine Collective. Peace, love, and light.